Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to remove your payment bank card in your 168 Chinese shopping app. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here now to open my 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you do is to navigate to Payment tab. And for you to do that, simply click on this icon right here. That is Payment tab right there. The next thing you need to do is to click on Manage right here. So click on Manage. It's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on Edit. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Link. And this is going to pop up right here. Are you sure you want to unlink this card? Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Yes. Card unlinked successful. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Done. And it's as simple as that. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.